Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at which culture makes the best yogurt. I have got 6 different yogurt cultures here. We have got goat yogurt, plain. These are all plain yogurt types. And we've got Nancy's probiotic, 100% grass-fed, whole milk yogurt. We have Bulgarian yogurt. We have Greek yogurt. We have got Mountain High's whole milk plain yogurt. And we have got a dry yogurt culture. So we will use these cultures to make yogurt, put them in individual jars, label them, and then do a tasting of these yogurts. We will taste and see which of these yogurt cultures will make the best yogurt. So we will do this test. Let's see how it works, and I will show you the results and do a taste test. Let's start with our goat yogurt as culture. This is Let's start with Nancy's. I'll first show you how it's holding up. As you can see, this is thick. It looks creamy. You can see the top is yellow, but that is because I used quite a bit of Nancy's yogurt itself. So the cream of Nancy's was mixed with the cream of my own milk. We'll see how it tastes. It's creamy, very creamy, I would say. Light, not tangy at all. It's a beautiful yogurt. I mean, fresh, smooth, holding itself, you see. It's not liquid at all. That's a great yogurt. So the goat yogurt as a culture, let's see how this is. Wow, it's thick, you can see here. Let's take a spoonful. You can see how thick that is. It's a strong yogurt. Let's see the taste. You can feel the creamy taste. Fresh, creamy, thick and dense yogurt. Velvety texture, not tangy or sour at all. Super yogurt. I don't see really a difference between these two in terms of quality. So here we have Chobani. Well, I've never used Chobani as a culture for my yogurts. This is the first time I'm doing it. Let's see. You can see it's holding really strong. It's dense, thick yogurt. And let's see how it tastes. Not tangy, not sour, creamy, very mild. I would say kids would love this yogurt. And children usually don't like sour or tangy yogurt. It's just really smooth, fresh. Wow, it was super thick. Wow, this is thicker than all of the others. This is from Yogourmet. You can see this. See the test here? No liquid at all in it. This is almost like cream cheese. Look. This is a little tangy compared to the other ones. But again, look at this very thick yogurt, especially the top cream. This is a little bit tangy, the Yogourmet. This is my common culture that I've been using. I guess I could switch to some of these others. Still creamy, smooth, not as creamy as the other ones. It's a pleasantly tangy taste. If you like tangy yogurt, Turkish yogurt or Bulgarian yogurt, Yogourmet is your go-to culture. So, which one is this? Bulgarian yogurt. This looks a bit liquid to me. I can see the water going around. So, it's not as thick. The back water is actually rising to the top. The taste of this is not good at all. It doesn't taste like yogurt. It's still milky. It has got this off taste as if the yogurt didn't take it. It looks like yogurt, but no, this is not good. So the Bulgarian culture, it may not be the culture, maybe something else. That one I didn't like. So far we have only one that has failed us. This one is the mountain cream yogurt that we used. Very thick again, you can see. See, it's holding itself, thick. Take a smaller. This is also slightly tangy, similar to our Yogourmet was a little tangy. This is similar. Yogourmet is tangier, I think. This is also a little tangy, not as smooth in terms of texture. Yeah, the texture of this one isn't as good as the other ones. It's not as creamy and the texture is a little off, but the taste is good. So nothing wrong with the taste. A little lightly tangy, but the texture in the others was better. And finally, I used my homemade yogurt, and the culture for that homemade yogurt, I don't even remember what it was. I have been making yogurt for a long time, so it could have been Yogourmet or some other cultures that I used. Wow. Oh, there's something wrong with this. It's frozen it was in the back of the fridge and it is frozen. This is the most sour among them. I guess it's time to change my culture for my homemade yogurt, because this one is actually sour. Frozen thick is sour. It's the tangiest among them all, but it's still a good yogurt. It would make a good yogurt drink. This would make a great ayran. The Yogourmet and the Mountain View yogurts are a little tangy, but still smooth taste. The top three, I would say, if you like not so tangy, if you like fresh, milky yogurt and creamy yogurt with a great texture, Chobani turned into a great culture. The goat yogurt that I used made a great culture, and Nancy's is a great culture. These are the winners. The Bulgarian yogurt has failed. May not be the yogurt's fault. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and share it. In the comments, please write which yogurt cultures you use to make your own yogurt at home and what yogurt you like most. Thank you and have a nice day.